I got a fat knot on my head. But since we snowed in today, I had saw this thing on YouTube I'm gonna try to make. It's a bacon wrapped cheese toast. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a grilled chicken cheese toast wrapped in bacon. So just tune in, we're gonna see how it come out. Okay, so I got my bacon, got my cheese, got my grilled chicken, got my bread, got my oven on 360. Alright, so let's wrap it up. So it is fully wrapped in the bacon. I got a double cheese, double grilled chicken stack inside of here. So let's pop this in the oven and come back to it for about 10-15 minutes. Finished product. John looking kind of crispy. Gonna let that junk cool off. Then we're gonna slice that junk down the middle, see what it look like. Woo-hoo. Woo. Cheese is oozing out that junk.